Hey everybody, it's Jennifer and welcome to 31 Days of Halloween. And what that is every single day in the month of October I'm going to be uploading a different Halloween look. I started off with something super simple. This is just like a marionette ventriloquist porcelain doll. It's a doll. This will be coming back in a different video later on in the month. We're gonna make it a little more creepy, a little scary, a little spooky, if you will. I hope you guys really like it. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jennifer and I do mainly beauty videos, but I also pop in some vlogs and home remodeling and just different stuff. I'm basically a lifestyle channel that mainly stays to makeup, but still, I hope you guys really like this look. This was super simple. I used all regular cosmetics. There's no like FX makeup or anything in this. You can really create this. I think I mainly used affordable / drugstore makeup. So if you decide what you want to be for Halloween late, like the day before, this is super simple. You can just wear this with a frilly little dress and curl your hair and you're a doll. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you do, be sure to give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. And also, forewarning, I'm probably gonna forget to say this in the other literal 30 videos that I'm uploading this month. I am doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers, but if I hit 200 subscribers while I'm in the middle of 31 days of Halloween, it'll more than likely be announced and like the giveaway started in November because well, I'm pre-filming like crazy because 31 videos back to back is a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and without further ado, let's get into the video. So we're gonna start off by priming our skin with a pore filling primer because dolls don't have pores, okay? Next, I'm going to mix in a white with my regular foundation shade just to make me look a little bit more porcelain. I'm pretty freaking pasty all on my own, but I wanted to be super pale. If you do this as your costume this year, make sure you blend your foundation onto your ears and down your neck and kind of behind your ears a little bit so it's all pretty and blended. Next, I'm going to be doing concealer. I'm just using a regular concealer mixed with white concealer to extra brighten and to match my pastiness. I'm so sorry I'm dancing and singing through this entire video. I have a problem. Now I'm just taking a cream contour stick and applying that to my temples, under my cheeks, my chin a little bit, and under my bottom lip. I'm blending this out, and I'm kind of carving my cheeks out in a more circular motion to make me look all doll-like and creepy. And I'm setting my face with loose powder, but it is literally the messiest powder I've ever used in my life, so I put a towel over my chest because I normally wear all black, so messy powder doesn't mesh well with me. Once you have your entire face set down with a translucent powder, I'm just going to take a contour shade and pretty much put that exactly where I had the cream contour, and then I'm going to blend it out with my regular powder brush just to make sure it's all blended in. Now I'm going to take a regular bronzier shade and just warm up my face a little bit. We want to stay pretty porcelain. I know I don't normally keep my brows in my videos, but guys, my baby girl came in to see me while I was making a video. Look how freaking cute. And before anybody asks where she got her blonde hair, I am naturally blonde, so I didn't steal her, I promise. Once I have my brows on and Ellie Belly has stopped her visit, I'm going to pack some powder underneath my eyes just in case I get fallout. And now we're going to start the actual look. I'm taking a super, super bright blue eyeshadow and I'm applying it in a very rounded half moon shape onto both of my eyelids. The more round your eye shadow is, the more rounded your eye looks, the more creepy and doll-like you look. It all comes together. Now I'm taking a slightly darker blue and adding that to my outer corners and blending it upward and inward. This is just going to add depth to our eye. And then I'm taking a silver shimmery shadow. You don't have to use silver. You can use literally any shimmery shadow you have. I just went with silver because I thought it looked best. And I'm just going to place that in the center of my eyelid and take the darker blue and shadow in around it, creating a slightly halo-eyed effect. Now we're going to dust away all of that powder, which I didn't even get fallout, just so you guys know. I'm taking a giant white eyeliner pencil and lining my waterline super, super heavily to give myself a more wide awake, open-eyed look. Next, with any black liquid eyeliner, I'm just going to do a wing. And I know I also normally cut out me doing my eyeliner, but I do show you guys how I got one of my wings. I just use mine's a brush tip eyeliner pen. It's super nice. It's from the drugstore. It's by Physicians Formula. I'm going back in with the same white eyeliner pencil and I'm dragging this way, way down below my lower lash line to make my eyes look even freaking bigger. Once you have on some false lashes and mascara, I'm going to apply a red lip. I go super slow because I'm not good with bold lips. My lips are hella uneven and I have super shaky hands. So, you do you, boo. You can replace the red with a pink if you guys want it to. I don't know what I'm doing right there. I'm so sorry. So now I'm taking the same black eyeliner I used on my eyes and I'm drawing lines coming out of the sides of my mouth and downward toward my chin to create a weird doll mouth. I do flick the ends of my mouth up a little bit to create a more creepy look. I'm going back in with my contour shade and applying that underneath my side mouth lines, the side of my mouth, and I also add this underneath the white on my eyes just to create a shadow under there. And now I'm going to take another set of false lashes and I'm going to put them on the opposite eye and upside down so that they flare out like your bottom lashes would. This is just going to further make your eye look even bigger and freaking creepy. Also, when you remove these, just be warned that that skin's super, super thin, so it's going to pull a lot more than regular. And now I'm just taking any highlighter and I'm highlighting my nose heavily and the top of my lip. You can add highlighter onto your cheeks, your eyes, and all of that if you want to, but dolls are mainly matte. And that is it for this look, guys. How freaking simple. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I had so much fun making this look. It was so simple. I told you guys, it was so simple. Like I said in the intro, we're going to be bringing this look back later on in the month to spook it up a little, to make it a little creepier, but super simple look. I didn't like it. I like how it came out, okay? I thought we would kick off 31 Days of Halloween with something super simple. Of course, I'm not an actual makeup artist, nor am I an FX makeup artist, so they're all gonna be super simple because your girl can't do complicated shit. But oh, I almost threw something in the floor. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel for more spooky shit every single day the month of October. That sounds insane to say, but we're gonna do it. I have my mind and my heart set on it. 31 different Halloween looks. It's a lot, but I will see you all tomorrow in the next video. It just sounds crazy, but I'll see you all tomorrow.